I'm Scott McCullough. I'm the owner of Pro Lawn Service. We're located in Centralia, Illinois. Ten years ago, we started getting into the landscape business, hardscape, doing outdoor kitchens, patios, sidewalks, outdoor lighting. Still do mowing, but basically we became a full-service landscape company. So we've got a T650, we own a T66, a T64, and then we just picked up the E35, and then we also have one of the MT85s. We just switched over. We did have a few competitor brands, and we switched everything back to Bobcat. Mainly it was the availability and the service we were getting from our territory salesman, just basically where we had everything one brand. When we switched from the competitive machines back to Bobcat, especially on the excavator, I noticed immediately for the same size machine, there was a little more power. So we got the extended arm, which had a little more reach in it. We've been very happy with the inside features and the cab, especially of the Bobcat brand compared to some of the others we've ran.